Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite chocolate girl, Beatbymoe, and I'm back with another slay for you today. If you're new to my channel, I am Beatbymoe. That's me. And you haven't subscribed yet, so go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss an upload from your favorite chocolate girl. So we're going to be achieving this look today. And guys, it's a little messed up on this eye because I have a lash pointing down into my eye, and the devil is busy. The devil is busy. He don't want y'all to see this look, but y'all gonna see it. So guys, if you want to know how I achieve this look, keep watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my up and coming uploads. And go follow me on Instagram at Beatbymoe with 2 E's, because you already know your girl finna take some fire pictures of this look, okay? So I'll see you guys in the video. I'll be talking to you guys in the video. So I'm gonna shut up and stop rambling so you guys can get into the video. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get into this look. So today's palette is going to be the Wahala 2 palette from Juvias Place, and we're going to be using the shade ASAP, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that all into my crease into a C shape, and then I am going to go in and blend it out. So guys, you do not have to do what I do, but I like to pack the color in first and then blend it out. Y'all, I literally just smelled that brush because I was smelling chocolate and I thought I was smelling chocolate. So don't pay no attention to me, okay? But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get that packed in, and then we're going to go ahead and blend that out. And see, like I said, we're just going to go ahead and get these edges blended out because you don't want no harsh lines when you go in with your next color. So we're just going to go ahead and get that nice and blended out. Okay, so now we're going into the shade Lit, because baby, this look is about to be lit. Even though the devil tried to stop me, but baby, when God got you, nothing can interfere. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blend these colors together because guys, what do we want? We want that seamless blend. So we're gonna go ahead and get these colors nice and blended together, and then we're gonna go and cut our crease, and I'll be back when I am filling in the crease. So I'm going to go into the shade ASAP in the back of my eye, and I'm just going to blend that in a little bit, but we are going to go into Yab, and I'm going to blend that into ASAP, and I'm just going to pack that onto the rest of my eye. Guys, I just want to say I hope me explaining what I'm doing is helping. You guys do not have to follow what I do, but this is just what I do. And somebody may find it helpful. So that's why I go in and I explain what I'm doing, because it may help somebody who is trying to learn how to do makeup. So this is the way I explain it. If you need more explanation, feel free to comment below. Okay, so I'm just taking my MAC Luxe glitter stacker, and this is the one called Spoiled, and I'm just taking some dual lash glue, and I am just going to place it on top of Yab, and I am going to take a brush and flatten out that glue, because you don't want no lumps and bumps, because you don't want your glitter to be lumpy. So you're going to take a brush and you're just going to pat that down, and then you're going to go in with your brush. You're going to take some glitter and you're going to put it on your eye. You don't want to put too much of glitter because you don't want it to look crazy. So I'm just going in and I'm just lightly tapping in that glitter. I did go ahead and line my eyes off camera. The white liner is from by Deb's Cosmetics, and this is the one called Snowflake. And then I just line my eyes with some regular e.l.f. liner. Okay, so I'm going in with my Morphe Filter Effect foundation, and this is in the shade Filter Deep 35. Excuse me, guys. Ooh. But this is in the shade Filter Deep 35. And when I tell you guys, this does give you like a filter effect. I love these foundations. Like, I'm definitely going to start using them on my clients. So now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques Seamless Complexion Brush, 241. And I'm just going to start blending out my foundation. I don't show you guys too much of me blending out my foundation and concealers and stuff because, guys, I have a foundation routine. I'm definitely going to come back with the updated foundation routine because some things has changed, but not much. So I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. You guys know this has kind of became my staple in my routine. So I'm going in with Beautiful Bronze, and you guys, I'm going to put that on under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. For contour today, I'm going to be using the Juvias Place foundation stick in the shade Congo. So now I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Toffee. And guys, you already know I like a bright under eye, so I'm just going to go in up under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead with this concealer. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour with my contouring brush, of course. And I like to blend out my contour first because I just like for my concealer to sit. Because once I blend it out, it's just going to give me a nice full coverage look that I am looking for. I'm going in and I am blending out the beautiful bronze with the Crayon Case 9AM brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and start blending out the edges, and then I'm going to go in and blend out everything else with this brush. So guys, I just like to blend out my makeup like this. I like to blend out my concealer one at a time and not together, because I just want the beautiful bronze in certain places and I want the toffee to just kind of mesh and blend in with the beautiful bronze. So I always blend out the beautiful bronze before I blend out the toffee, and that's just how I do it, and it's been coming out fine, as you guys can tell. So that's how I like to do it. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. beauty blender, and I'm just going into the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the shade Mocha, and I'm just going to go ahead and start pressing that into my skin. The reason why I do that is because it just gets into those creases and it gives me minimum creasing. So I do it like this because it just gives me like a nice flawless finish. So now I'm going into my Lash Talk Lashes pressed powder, and this is in the shade Bronze, and I'm just going to go on top of everywhere that I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I am just going to go ahead and press that powder in. As you guys can tell, I am only taking a thin layer of this because I don't want to look like a powdered donut, so I only take a thin layer of this and press this in. So I'm going in with some white liner, and I'm just going to line my eyes because I want some white liner. So I'm just going to go in with some white liner and line my eyes. Then I'm going to go up under my eye with some ASAP and some Yab. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out because, guys, that's how I want my look to be. Okay, so I went into my Saharan blush palette too. And I went into Tayu and Lena. And I am just going to put that on my cheeks. So now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease highlighting and blush palette, and I am going to go into the shade At This. Guys, I did not show this palette because I've shown this palette plenty of times, and y'all, this palette is kind of raggedy, so yeah. period. Okay, so here it is. Here is the finished look, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Y'all, let me know how you feeling about this look. Let me scoot up so y'all can see a little bit more. Yes. 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 Y'all, I was gonna do some bottom lashes, but this eye over here, if you cannot tell, it's doing the most for the least right now. It is literally doing the most, and I just need this to hold up for like 20 more minutes, and it won't. But guys, if you made it to the end of this video and you have not subscribed yet, then what are you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notification, because guess what? You don't want to miss what your chocolate girl got up and coming. Like, you don't want to miss my videos. You don't. Like, for real. So let me know what this look is giving in the comment section. Guys, oh my God. But let me go ahead and take my pictures and stuff and get this out to you guys, because this eye is really doing the most. So bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Beatbymoe with 2 E's.